Hey everybody, Nancy here. I have my two very tired puppies helping me. Here's Charlie. Say hello, Charlie. And BB is right here. Let me show her. BB, good girl. BB is a very mature 3-year-old, and Charlie is just my little scamp. Okay, I have an unboxing. Got some China mail. So let's see what we got. And then I'm gonna do a video on setting up my next project since I just finished one. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a little bowl full of pansies. Surprise, surprise, flowers. I have to share, my husband watched that unboxing video yesterday, and at first I kind of panicked, and then I thought, well, if I didn't want him to see it, I wouldn't have put it on the internet, right? Luckily, he laughed. He thinks this is very amusing. Tools, I got a little green boat, some pink wax, some tweezers, and a plain pink pen. Oof. Oh, you have to see this. The puppies are all lined up today. Charlie, Charlie. That's a good boy. They are watching the door. My husband is working, so that means they're on guard duty all day, watching for him to come home. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you can see those bags hanging on the closet door. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get you straight. Those are all the drills, and there's another big shopping bag. Those are all the drills for all my stash that I showed yesterday. Let's see, this got a little dented. Paper is cut, which is helpful, and it's wrapped around a foam core. That tends to really work pretty well. Sometimes it gets a little dented, but that's easy enough to get out. Of course, I have it upside down. This is a 30 by 40. Oof. Try so hard to lay it flat. All I have to do is peel the paper up. Let's peel the paper and show off. Oh, did you hear that rip? Wow, I ripped it all the way down. That's not good. It's okay. Parchment paper for this one. Ah, this paper must be thinner or something. I ripped it again. Oh, really doesn't want to come off. All right, let's try this one. And it's sticky way past the image. So I'm gonna have to get me some washi tape on this one when I do it. That's the trick. You just put washi tape all the way around the edge so you don't get dirt, or in my case, my hair, all over everything. Okay, that's got some more paper ripping, but you can see the pattern. It's just a bowl full of pansies. Very cute. Is this stuck on there, or... No, it'll peel off when I'm ready to do it. Wow, that really made a mess. I'm gonna leave this one out and get some parchment paper to replace this crappy paper. Really not happy with this. I'm gonna have to find out what store I got this from. It says Yumi Art. Yumi Art. Nice inventory sheet. Lots of drills. There we go. Let me find a bag. I kind of have everything semi within range here. Oh, I keep saying I was going to get a better pen than the Sharpie, but okay, we'll do one more with the Sharpie. Let's do a quick inventory. I see this are kind of muted colors, and then all of a sudden there's this bright purple and like a, what color is that called? Chartreuse, where it's like lime green. Oh boy, bags. I have such a collection of those bags. I wonder what I can use them for. Okay, here we go. Three, 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 8, 2, 1. That's better. Come on. 3, 3, 6, 3. 2 bags. Go. 3, 3, 7, 1. Should be 14 bags. 2, 4. Oops. Where did I start? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yes. Good, 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 good. 3, 8, 2, 0. 1 bag. Ooh, this number is cut off. 3607. Here it is right here. I can see the 3 and the 07. 552. It says I should have 1, but I have 2. Oh, no. Yeah, 552. Let's check. Plus 1. Okay. The bags in there, throw the tools in there. 37.50. 1. Good. This is 7.62. I should have 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 10. Nice. I do like when they throw extra as opposed to putting it short. 3031. I should have 18, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Perfecto. Whoops, 1 fell off. That's not good. 832. 2 bags. Got it. Huh. Whoops. What did I drop? $38.19. 1 bag. Yes. Dropped one. Oh, there it is. In my lap. It is $9.31. This is a lot of colors in this. So I see purple and pink and yellow and brown and maroon. 3803. 2. Hi, Charlie. Charlie insists on setting himself down on a pillow. 3860. 1, 2. Well, there's 3, and I'm supposed to have 4. This is 3746. 1. Let me leave that out in case there's another one floating around here. What's this color? $4.52. 2. Gotcha. There we go. This is, these gold numbers are very hard to read. I don't know if you can read that. I can barely read it. 8. Nope, I think that's upside down. 648. Got it. 2. $38.63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm supposed to have 4. So check plus 1. 310. My favorite, black. Should be 10. Just kidding. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 310, I'm always happy when I finish it. When the black is done, that's fun. Oh, I rhymed. This is 210. 2. Oh, great. Sharpieing my hands. 796. 1. There's 12 drills of navy blue on there. That's funny. 161. 1. This is 209. 1. Pretty lilac color. 155. 2. 159. 3. So you just go down, check and make sure all the bags are there. 905, 2. 434. This is where it's nice to be in one of the Facebook groups, because the first time you do this, if you're confused, you can just put a picture on there and say, what am I doing? And people are more than happy to explain to you how to do this. I've seen a lot of people with a lot of questions, and they're not dumb questions, you know, it's because every company does this a little bit different. Some give you a sheet, some don't give you a sheet. They don't give you a sheet. The information should be on the canvas itself. 58, 1. It's all about what works best for you and how you like to do things. Not everybody likes to do this. But I would rather figure out if I'm short something and contact them and get a replacement right up front so that you can at least start the project. And if you're missing drills, they can show up while you're working away on it. 791. 1. I am boring BB to death. Well, not to death, to sleep. 38, 35. 2. It's a nice quiet morning. Nobody's been barking or going nuts yet. But, you know, mailman's not here yet. He'll be here soon. 729. I always know when the mailman is here. He never gets by these two. 844. 7. 2, 4, 7. Good. I'm not seeing this one bag that I'm short, so I may have to write to the seller. If they won't send them to me, I will go straight to AliExpress. You know, when I do all this work to make sure something is there and it's not there, they need to fix that. I've heard of some sellers giving people a hard time, but you know, do you want positive feedback? Well, then give me what I need. Okay. So 3860 is the only one where I got 3 bags instead of 4. 3, and I'm putting -1. Okay, I will put a label on this bag. And I will contact them and ask them to send my extra bag of drills. Oh, look, Charlie wants to be a YouTube star. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Yeah, it's a good boy. Yes, it's okay. Come here, lovey. Come on. Ah, it's a good boy. Okay. Well, here's Charlie. Everybody take care. Have a good day. There's Charlie's butt. He's showing you his butt. Here, Charlie. Look. There he is. Have a good day. Talk to you later.